Julie Collins Photography, and I'm an admin with the Snap Society. Today I'm going to show you how to perform a simple head swap. This skill is useful when you have one uncooperative person in a group and very few images where they're looking at the camera or smiling or have their eyes open, as you can see in this image here where everybody looks lovely except for this little boy who's looking down here. So how I'm going to do it is take his image here, his face, and paste it into this image. So I'm going to use my lasso tool, which is L on your keyboard, or you can use your toolbox. Circle around his head, copy it using Control-C, and pasting it using Control-V into this image. I'm going to use my zoom tool, which is Z on the keyboard, or you can use your zoom, your looking glass tool right there. Move his head over, change the opacity of the layer, which is over here in the layers palette. Zoom in even closer. And I'm going to transform his face because it's not lining up. So two ways you can do that is Control-T on your keyboard, or you can go up here to the menu, Edit, Free Transform. Grab one of the corners and drag using your Shift key so proportions all stay the same, and move it around so that it lines up very well around the outside of the image. So that's what I'm looking at right now, is trying to get his ears to line up and his head, and that looks really good. So I'm going to hit Enter, and then I'm going to use my Erase tool, which is E, or over here on your toolkit, that one, and erase around the outside all of the stuff that you don't want to keep. Being careful not to get too close to the inside what you want to keep. Okay, that looks pretty good for a first go around. So now I'm going to change this back to 100% to see what I've got. And this eye tool here, I'm going to switch back and forth to see if I've missed. So down here it looks a little bit weird. So I'm going to use my move tool and move his head up just a little bit and go around his chin area just a smidge here. I think that looks pretty good. I missed a hair right there. And that's pretty much how you perform a head swap. I'm going to zoom out using Control-0 on my keyboard, or you could use, again, your zoom tool over here. Click back and forth a little bit, a couple more times to make sure I got everything. Looks good. So then I'm going to hold down Shift and select both of these layers and layer, flatten image, and then you can save. So that is how you perform a simple head swap. I hope this video was helpful to you. Have a great day.